Hi, my beautiful. Good to have you around. Good to see you come through. My name is Lena, and I am your trader. We are here, and we are definitely all in to learn, to catch some new tips, and definitely to watch the market together. We share some experiences. We are all in 100% to learn together. So come through. Let me see how today is going to play out. Okay. Okay. All right. I'm seeing that is Mr. Hust. What's up? What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. How is your Sunday? How is your Sunday going? Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, let me hope you are all well. Let me hope you are doing amazing. It's your girl Lena over here, Pocket Option Broker. That is a platform that I'm trading on, and definitely binary options. That is my die for. Okay, so we are having Brent oil OTC chart over here, as you can see. I've risked 500 US dollars, 15 seconds, my expiration time. So without wasting any time, let's dive in. Swalala, swalala. Okay, guys, this is our first entry for the day. That's good. Mr. Hust, I am amazing. I'm doing okay. Just here, ready to make some profits, ready to go away with something from the market. Okay. Okay. Guys, what's up? Where are you guys? I need some vibe here. Okay. Is it possible to turn 13 US dollars to 500 US dollars? It's possible, but it takes time. It takes time because, excuse me, as a trader, you know very well that whatever we risk, more so in binary options, whatever we risk, we are looking at two things, either a profit or a loss. So how, like, each entry that you're going to make, how much are you going to, like, how much are you going to risk for your trades? It's possible, done consistently, but of course, just know that losses are there. That is one thing that you cannot run away from. Losses are there, but done consistently over time, it could happen. All right. Just that when the losses come through in handy, you might be blown out. All right. So that's what I can say. Okay. Guys, we are into it. We are into it. What's up, my fellow traders? It's a Sunday. It is a Sunday. How is everything over that side? Come and fill me in. Come and fill me in. My Sunday is just amazing. Just amazing. I need to know how you are doing. Come through. Let's catch up. Let's catch up, guys. Okay, so Lena over here. Okay, all right. That's such an amazing comment over there. Hi, what's up, Aurora? What's up? Good to have you. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for joining in. It's your girl Lena over here. Oh my goodness. Let me tell you one thing. Shockingly, however much a girl is rich or has all that a lot of money that you could be thinking or looking at, we girls or we women, we are so different. At times we do not think like men, shockingly. Yeah. So however much money I could be having, spending on you would not be a problem. But w- girls being girls, we love being spoiled. So I did not know, but anyways, you can get one like that. You can get one like that, but a girl being a girl, we always want to be spoiled. We always love being taken care of. So just learn trading. Just learn how to trade, make money, you know, get someone. You people spoil each other. If you are spoiling me and you are spoiling me and I'm also spoiling you, it makes sense. Okay, it makes sense, but not one way. Even the Bible talks about it. You guys have to take care of us, all right? Okay. If you know any girl like that, let me know. All right. On my end, I cannot promise anything. Okay. Oh, Harry. Hi, Harry. What's up? Oh dear, I have done a loss of 8K. I'm so depressed. Oh goodness, so sorry about that. That is really so not good news. More so for our close of the week. We are coming to an end of the week. We expect at least to run away with a bag, all right, as we jump into the new week. You run away with a bag of some cash, which would not be bad. But if that has happened, so sorry about that. I really feel for you. But at the end of the day, one thing I can tell you is that allow yourself to take it in, to feel the way you are feeling, such that you heal from it, you come back all strong. All right. So that is one thing I can tell you about that. Take some time, heal, work on your emotions, and then dive straight into the market. All right. We are here to definitely keep going. However much we get blown out, we gather ourselves and then we keep striking straight into the market. So sorry about that. But then we have to keep going. Okay, we have to keep going. Okay, yes, I will be spending on my wife. That is it. That is it. Okay, Raphael, good to have you, good to have you. What's up? What's up? What's up? How is your day today? How is your Sunday? Okay, so can you explain the reason for your entry? Okay, so let me just take you through. Jams, what's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. Okay, so let me explain to you a few things that I consider so much for my entries. First and foremost, I am a trader who focuses, who concentrates so much on price action, pure price action as my strategy. All right. So in there, I have a few factors or certain things that I consider when trading. You have a strategy that you have, or you have a lot of factors that you look out for, but it's not so good to have 1,000 of them that you are considering. All of them are good, that is fine, but choose a few that you're going to be consistent with, such that they give you what you actually expect from the market. Okay, at the end of the day, you and me, we are all here for the profits. We are here to benefit from the efforts that we put into the market. All right. So I use price action, but one thing I look at, that is, yes, it's very, very okay. It's very, very okay. It does not make sense if you have 10 factors that you're looking at, yet actually when they are all appearing in the market, you do not know which one exactly to consider for you to place in your entry. So one, what is the market condition? Okay, what is the market condition? Am I in simple terms, what direction are you in? Are you in an uptrend? Are you in a downtrend? Are you in consolidation? And in each of these conditions, how do you handle them? How do you make some entries out of them? Okay, there are certain things that you definitely have to look out for. If you are having a strong bullish you are having a strong bullish direction, definitely when you are in an uptrend, definitely you are going to buy. Okay, if you are having a strong trend, bearish direction, you are going to sell. But one thing you have to know, that is with a market direction anyways, the other thing is the market structure. Market structure, very, very important. When we are in the market, one thing you should know is that whether we are in an uptrend, both buying and selling takes place. Okay, but that depends on what particular situation is going on. We can choose to be continue trend continuation traders. You can choose that, but then you can also look through market structure and be like, okay, when I'm having market structure, what is going to happen here? That is when we are going to have the highs and the lows. Okay, when we are having the highs and the lows, then what do you do? How are you supposed to handle that particular situation? If we are having the highs and the lows, that is the market structure, we are definitely looking at okay. Okay, let me first take that is Mr. Hurst. Let me first take him through what I consider, such that at least we have a clear picture moving forward. Okay, so one, the market condition, which is either an uptrend, a downtrend, consolidation, that you know. But one thing you should know, if we are in an uptrend, expect, okay, I say we can do trend continuation trades, That is very, very okay, meaning you're going to wait for those candlestick patterns that form that give you a continuation in the market. That is very, very okay. Then we have market structure. With market structure, that simply means that we are going to have two in that particular direction. We, in an uptrend, we are going to buy and sell at the same time. When we are in an uptrend, meaning we buy, but then also we certainly going to have a drop in the price because also the sellers want to show their presence in the market. The buyers will be in control of the market, but it does not mean that completely they have thrown out the sellers. The sellers will come through, and that is where we talk about pullbacks. If you have heard about pullbacks, in pullbacks, how it comes about. If we are in an uptrend, we look at those strong points, that strong higher low that pushes a previous strong higher high to break structure. Once we have broken that structure, we anticipate a drop in the price, right? That is what we call a pullback. When we anticipate that, and you know how to trade at a pullback, there you will sell, all right? You will sell because the sellers are in the market. That is the drop in the price that I'm talking about, okay? After that drop in the market, we are going to have a continuation unless the structure has changed and we are moving in the opposite direction, which we can say we are having a reversal. But most of the times after a pullback, we have a continuation in the market. So that simply means at a continuation, keep buying, keep buying, keep buying. All right. So that is for an uptrend. There, after a pullback, definitely there are entries over there for you to keep buying. So there you know that when I'm having a pullback, I can sell, and if after at the end of the pullback, I am going to continue buying. Then for the downtrend, you are clearly going to look at for a downtrend, you are going to look at the lower highs and the lower lows. And for the downtrend, we are definitely going to look at that strong lower high that pushes the previous lower low. We have a lower high and a lower low. Okay, once that lower low is pushed and it breaks structure, that simply means that we are going to anticipate a pullback. With that pullback now, the fact that we are in a bearish direction or we are selling, when the pullback comes in, that simply means that we are going to buy. At the end of the pullback, we have a continuation. So that simply means that you can keep selling in that particular direction. Okay, so that is with the market structure. That simply means that you have to understand what the market is up to, what is going on in the market. Then once we have that, we also have one very, very important factor, which is the candlestick patterns. When we come to the candlestick patterns, we have quite a number. The candlestick patterns are so many. And on my end, I could be seeing that maybe engulfing candles are giving me what I want. But on your end, because every candlestick pattern that you are looking at right about now is explaining something. So you could find that maybe the engulfing candles are not exactly what you're looking out for in the market, but you have your other candlestick pattern that you look out for. So on my end, I focus so much on the engulfing candles, the Marabuzo candles, the hammer candles, all right, a doji, which helps me with the rejections. So I have a few candlestick patterns that I focus so much on. So on my end, for me to identify or to have a clear sign and confirmation that over here I should place in an entry. One, I have to know the market condition. Number two, I have to know with the market structure what is happening. Have I broken structure? Have I after the pullback, what is happening? Am I breaking below the higher low? If I'm breaking below, that simply means that I'm having a reversal. So how do I deal with that as well? So please understand market direction, market direction, market structure, candlestick patterns. Have a few candlestick patterns that you're going to be looking out for in the market, because that way it makes things easier. Trading becomes easier. And with trading, one thing you should know is that being consistent in what you are doing helps you to build your trading skills. All right. So have a few things that you're going to hold dearly, and for as long as you see that they are taking you somewhere, they are giving you the profits that you want, or they are making you a better trader, because at the end of the day we are looking at being profitable traders, being pros in trading. For as long as you see that they are taking you somewhere, please go on with that. Focus, be consistent, all right? Things become better eventually. Consistency, very, very important. Risk management, very, very important, all right? As you trade, risk something that you can't afford to lose, okay? One thing you all know is that we do not control the market. The market does whatever it wants to do. But for as long as you are taking your time and you are having this trading skill, you are gaining this trading skill, you are having the knowledge, you know how to read your charts, you know how to understand your charts. Trading eventually becomes much, much easier. So Mr. Hurst, that is what I focus so much on before I place in, or before I can clearly say that here, let me place in my entries. And when you are consistent to it, you find that it eventually becomes easier for you. Okay. So I do not know what strategy you are using, but on my end, that is the strategy that I'm using, and those are the few confluences that I picked out, and they are helping me so much. They are giving me something good, I should say. Okay. Can I see you over there? Okay. Aruba. All right. I take it. Inshallah. That is Silver. Hi, Silver. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. 1,000 balance. Okay, 50 profits for a day. Okay, a silver. That's amazing. Okay, okay. It's good to always have a plan. It's always good to have a plan. You move at least when you are seeing where you're going. And at some point, if you reach somewhere and things do not go as you planned, but as long as you have done what you had to do, it will be okay. It will be okay. it still gives you a clear picture of at least consistency produces very, very amazing results. That's one thing you should know. Okay. Keep it a little secret. Justice Trader, what's up, what's up, what's up? Good to have you, good to have you, good to have you. Guys, we are in for our second art. Ooh, look at that. That is for Croft. What's up, Croft? Thank you for always sending in your donations. And we have our profits over there. Anna Mbatha, what's up, my darling? What's up, my darling? Good to have you. Good to have you. Hope you're doing okay. Hope you're doing amazing. That is Amado. What's up? What's up? What's up? How many years did you take to be able to make a living from trading? I will say 2 years, close to 2 years. The first year I was just playing, so it was in the second year when I became serious with my life in trading. I always count the first year because, hey, it introduced me to trading. It showed me all the lessons. It showed me all the lessons, all the mistakes that I made them in the first year. So in the second year, I was doing things a little better and I was a little serious since I always wanted to be financially free. So the second year really, really gave me the direction of where I'm supposed to be. So I count 2 years, okay? Yeah, but you take them and then eventually you do something good for yourself. Don't you need somebody? Trevor, what's up? I see you can. Okay. Okay, Khan. We'll be waiting on you. That is a car. That is a car. Oh, Mustafa. Why am I fighting with your name? Mustafa Gitsi, Mustafa, good to have you, good to have you. That is Habib, good to have you, good to have you. Thank you for coming through. Next that is Thorn. We are looking at 3,000. Somebody. Faisal is in the building. Hi Faisal, what's up, what's up? Good to have you. Forex Trader Day. Good to have you, good to have you. And Ambatha, I see you over there. I see you. Ethan, good to have you. Ivan, good to have you. How does the alligator indicator influence your entries? It helps me with signals. It helps me with signals. You be chilling with me. Nima, good to have you. Why is my trading chart different from yours? Money line. Really, really, really. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Forever. Raphael, I'm trying hard to make it with a yeah. It's very okay. It's very okay. Once at least you have gotten an orientation and you come through, with that zeal to learn. Why it took me that long, it was because I was playing here and there, you get. Like, I kept on thinking these people maybe are forcing me into this thing. It's a thing for guys, not for ladies. I played a lot in my first year, but I believe in in 1 year, at least you could be seeing something with the learning, with the understanding how everything works. It's very, very possible for as long as you are consistent. Trust me, trust me, trust me, trust me. Okay? Just make sure that every day you show up, you look at your charts, okay? You try to understand, like I told you, these candlestick patterns, each one of them tells you a story of exactly what is going on. It's like as if you're having a storybook. So it tells you a story in each way. So for as long as you keep showing up and understanding, acquiring that knowledge, having a trading skills, very, very important. That is all we need. You and me, that is what we need for us to be successful in the market. So you make me stay forever. Okay, Anna Mbatha, hi my darling. What's up? What's up? Sanjay is in the building. Vanakam, Vanakam, Vanakam. Yes, my dear, I'm doing okay. I had my lunch. I'm also blessed to be here to see you come through. So why not? Why not? Why not? Why not? The family is amazing. And over here, people are very, very active today. People are amazing, but definitely they can respond on their own. So good to have you, good to have you. And once Sanjay is in the building, guys, you just know we have a target. We have a target. So, we are in for a fun. We have a target, guys. And Sanjay is making sure to that. M. Hassan, what's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. Okay. Raphael, Ethan, I've responded to you. Ree, what's up, Ree? What's up, Ree? Good to have you. Okay, Mr. Haas, like I said, but you bought at a downtrend. Yes, my dear. When you see that I've bought and I am in a downtrend, that simply means that we are having a pullback, all right? And with a pullback, that simply means that there are some buyers in the market that are trying to pull the market up, all right? So that is where the pullback comes in, and I was trying to explain about that. Okay, so that's why you saw the buying in a downtrend, but little by little we shall be getting there. Don't worry, baby fan. Good evening. Can you make us a video on the market signals? Okay. All right, all right, all right. Into that. Okay, Sanjay, no response so far from my. Ooh, why not? Why not? Why not? Why not? Why not? My Sanjay. Good to have you. Good to have you. We are here together. We are here together. So no worries. I got you. I got you. Okay, so for fun, I'm withdrawing. I'm withdrawing onto his wallet. Abnas, what's up? What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. New waves. Okay. Hi, hi. What's up? How are you doing today? That is Vadi. Hi, Vadi. Good to have you. Good to have you. That is Amina. Amina, good to have you. Baba, good to have you. Mustafa, okay. All right, I see DJ, DJ. Oh, sorry, that is D guy. I'm used to DJ system. D guy, good to see you. Good to see you. Joshua is in the building. Hi, Joshua. What's up? What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Okay, so we are in for Jackson Trader. Definitely over there. After the close of a pullback, we are having a continuation. So that's why I've placed in a sell position over there. All right. Beautiful, beautiful. So we are in a bearish direction. Let us continue. Okay. Now I know what I know. Let us continue, guys. Let us continue. Those are two entries, and I've targeted continuations. All right. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so we are having pullbacks in between, but you can choose not to trade at a pullback because you do not know how to trade at it, and then wait for your continuation. Okay, so it's okay to wait when you are trading. It's okay to wait and trade in a situation where you understand exactly what your charts are up to or what they are doing. Let's see for our last attempt over here. Okay. Oh dear. Oh dear. I've closed in a loss over there. That is for Jackson, and I've closed in a loss over there. Waiting for a pullback trade. Okay, white taker 752 atoms. Guys, we are still in a bearish direction, as you can see over here. So right now, after that break of structure, I anticipated a pullback and it has given me a profit over here. So today we are trading together. Okay, so that is what I was talking about, that we have a break break of structure, then we anticipate a pullback, right? Which I've showed you over there, and we have closed in a plus. Hi Godwin, what's up, what's up, what's up? Good to have you, good to have you. Ethan, have you done a video on the use of the alligator? No, I've actually not yet posted it. I've not yet posted it, but soon it will be. It will be posted. When I had just started streaming, I used to have a lot of videos clearly explaining the use of the alligator indicator and the MACD as well. But that was in the earlier sessions that I used to have. But I need to make a clear one for just the indicator, the alligator indicator, and the MACD probably. Okay, so I will, and I will let you know. Sanjay, friends, okay. Sanjay is reminding us, guys, tap that screen and subscribe as well. For anyone who is new, you're most welcome. Good to have you, good to have you. It's your girl Lena over here. Our session always starts at 3 p.m. Canadian time, so always join in. We have a lot of learning, a lot of growth in trading, sharing experiences. You know very well, my experience could be different from yours, and definitely you could pick something from my experience that can actually help you change your life in trading. So we are 100% here to learn, to understand a few things in trading. Beautiful, beautiful. That is for White Taker. White Taker, and we have closed in a plus. Okay. Hi, Blessing. Hi, Blessing. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you in the building. How is your Sunday? How is it going so far? Hope it's good. Hope it's amazing. Mr. Hust is asking, what's the MACD settings? For the MACD, I leave it at its default settings. Okay, both with the alligator indicator actually. Okay. Okay, that is Max over there. How does one get in touch with you? Getting in touch with me, you can send me a message on Telegram. Please check in my bio over there. My Telegram link is attached. Okay, let's chat. Echo Rift. That is 352 atoms. Do nothing. Mr. Comet, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up? Good to have you. Akin, good to have you. On to the next is in the building. Okay. Good to have you, good to have you. Godwin, already signed in. Good to have you, good to have you, good to have you. New waves. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. Okay, Godwin. We are doing okay. We are doing amazing. How about you? How about you? Mhm. Le, 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 le. They're doing your thing. Shibaramba, shifirapira. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. You know when your anticipation over there, definitely the sellers just kicked me out. So sorry about that echo rift. So sorry about that. Hi, Laughter. What's up? What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Let's go. Good to have you. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for joining in. I know, Laughter. Where did you disappear to? Fill me in, fill me in. Let me hope you've been okay. Let me hope you have been amazing. Let me hope everything is going on well, okay? Good to have you. Good to have you join in for today's session. Good to have you. Ethan, hello, hello. What's up? What's up? What's up? Okay, Nathaniel, we are looking at 1,500 as our take profit. As a matter. That is Quartet's Hack. What's up? What's up? What's up? Okay, I love you too. What's up? What's up? How is it going over that side? Thank you for coming through. Yeah, oh. Yeah, What's the only thing I'm thinking of? In the morning when I'm waking up. I think on my end, that one thing that I'm always thinking about are my chats. How about you? What is that one thing that you're always thinking about? Okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah. It's the only thing I'm thinking of. In the morning when I'm waking up. Oh dear. That is not cool at all. Okay.
Angelina, you the cool in my temperature. If you call, I go come deliver. I look for your hand never. So now me you could forever. I'm a cocky no people letter. I'm my Angelina, I'm my Angelina. Oh, me all down. Anytime when I see you for the club at the television, your body.
Okay. As we proceed over here, that is beautiful, beautiful. That is our second attempt. Two more to go for Alexander. Okay, Mustafa, when you are learning binary options, what did you focus on? Let us first. Ooh, I love that. I love that. I love those spikes when I'm in the right direction. Okay. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Okay. Okay. When you are learning binary options, what did you focus on every day that helped you become consistently profitable and master your strategy? Okay, let me first catch this entry over here, then we can get into that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So that is for Alexander. Okay, so beautiful, beautiful. Next is Drift Cairo. We are looking at the items as I withdraw for Alexander over here. Okay, so one thing you should know, okay, the one thing that I focused on when learning binary options, of course, I took the time, I understood all about binary options, what it entails, the risks, like how can I go about it? What am I supposed to understand? What am I supposed to focus on so much with risk management? With risk management, with binary options trading, we know that it is number one, it's very, very risky. That is number one. Very, very risky. So it's very, very important for me to know about risk management. To know about risk management. What am I willing to lose? What am I going to put into as my risk, and I'm okay with losing it. Number two, learning about the different strategies and choosing what I've understood best and how to use it. Number one, risk management, having having a strategy that I'm using and being consistent on it, and then also having a trading plan, not just coming into the market, trading and moving away. Have a trading plan, know how you're going to be doing your things. In that strategy, there, of course, a strategy has a lot of factors in it that you're going to be looking out for, but focusing on a few things, on a few factors that ended up actually becoming profitable, that I had actually focused so much on, that I had given all my deepest attention for me to be able to know. Then also probability over prediction. When we are trading, more so in binary options, we are anticipating, we give it a probability, okay? We are not in for a prediction. You have to understand probability and prediction. These are some of the things that you have to keep at the back of your mind. And going forward, challenge yourself to always have that setup, your trading setup. And once you have it, be true to yourself and follow it. Not having your setup today because today was a bad day, you run away from it. So those are some of the things that at the end of the day, these are some of the things that will keep you going. And once you are consistent with them, you definitely start seeing results. Binary options trading, people will say it's easy. That is what someone who does not wish you well will tell you, that it's easy. I don't want to say that it's easy. What I can tell you is that acquire the knowledge, look for the knowledge of all the many that you have gathered. Sit yourself down. Of course, even when we are in classes learning, you know very well that this particular subject is very, very easy for me, and this one is not. So, as you are a trader, in those very many strategies, pick out one that you are very good at, understand it inside out, how to go about it. Not everything in it you're going to use, but pick out the most important ones, focus on those, be consistent. The setup that you are using, be consistent with it. Unless if you reach a point and you see things are not working out, feel free to change to a different strategy that you are going to use. But it's very, very important in trading. If you want to see results, if you want to be profitable, be consistent, okay, in whatever you do. Either coming onto your charts and looking at them every single day, be consistent about them. Or if you have set yourself and you are like, every after 2 days I will be on my charts, be consistent about them. If you are using a certain strategy, be be consistent about it. If you are having a particular setup, be consistent with it. It's all about being consistent. Have the knowledge, apply it. All right? Do not fear to apply it. Apply it, make the mistakes, make sure that every mistake that you make, you learn from it, such that at the end of the day, you're able to benefit from it. Okay? Risk management, very, very important. That is one of the things after I learned risk management and how to apply it, my life became easier. How? You know, when you do not know about risk management, you just apply, you just put in any amount. But when you know about risk management, you're going to risk something that you are willing to lose. If I risk $5 and on my account I have 100 US dollars, that simply means that I will be willing to make a loss. Sorry about that. That simply means that I will be okay with making a loss of $5. And then I try again. Risk management, very, very important. For the key factors, risk management, having a strategy, a trading plan, and then being consistent in whatever decision you make. At the end of the day, you see results, okay? So that's what I can say. Those are some of the things that I did consistently, and by now I'm seeing results. I'm having results in my being patient, in my being disciplined. When I just started trading, I was never a patient person, and I thought the market had to understand, there is this beautiful girl in the market, so the market has to understand. The market does not know us, okay? So what it knows are your trading skills, the knowledge that you have about it. That is what it knows. So apply your skills, and then things get better for you. There is no debating about that. Once you come through and you think, trading is easy, I just buy, I just sell, you will get frustrated. One more important thing, dealing with your emotions. How do you go about that? One, when you know about risk management, there is a way it helps you with your emotions and with also the fear. Risk management helps you a lot because I'm putting in my $5, but I'm expecting either a loss or a win, depending on your considerations to that particular entry. Okay? So just be consistent in whatever you're doing. Results definitely come out. Okay, Ethan, hope I've answered. Mustafa, hope you have gotten something out of it. And to the next, I'm always thinking about my chat, but my chat always take me down or take me out. Keep it going, keep it going, keep being consistent, keep diving in there. Do not give up. All right? Do not give up. That is one thing I can tell you. Things eventually get better. At least I've given you a few tips on what you should consider, what you should always look out for in the market, or what you should concentrate on, or what you should focus on. At least, even if you have not gotten much on your charts, make sure that at least you have the discipline. Make sure that at least you have the discipline, you have the patience, you can deal with your emotions. Uh, a few things. Eventually, you get so used to the market, to your chats. It's like as if you're having a conversation with them. Okay. Do you remember? Laughter. Nothing much, my brother. Vante. Hi, Vante. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. Cortex. OMG, it's huge. What's huge? What's huge? Hassan, good to have you. All time fave. Vanakam, Vanakam. Sanjay is in the building. All time fave is in the building. How are my people of Sri Lanka doing? Good to have you representing them. Good to have you. Good to have you. I just say now what to go. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, we are looking at 2000. That is for Bravante. To be together. Then the truth came in and the truth came out. I just say now what to go. Say. Okay, all time fave and Sanjay. I see you guys over there. New waves. What's up? What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. Thank you for sticking around. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Sanjay is looking for Godwin. Godwin, where are you? Penny Paul, good to have you, good to have you. What's up, what's up, what's up? How are you doing today? Beautiful. Did she say? After the break of structure, damn. My anticipation was thrown in the mud. Not good, not good at all. So sorry, Bravante. Jonah, good to have you, good to have you, good to have you. Would you like to go away from home, Mila? Okay, Godwin is still in the building. Oh la la. Up and down. Hi Perez. What's up? What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Thank you for coming through. Good to have you. I'm drowning in the ocean. Come and take me away. Would you like to go away from home? We are taking it for just one attempt. Would you like to go away from home? No. Why you leave? Why you leave? I'm drowning in the ocean. Come and take me away. Would you like to go away from home? No. 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 It's our first attempt, and we are stuck in a continuation.
I'm the one, yeah. I'm the one early morning in the dawn. Know you wanna ride now. I'm the one, yeah.
Hey,
I'm the one, yeah.
hey.
Hear you sick of all those other imitators. Don't let the only real one intimidate ya. See you
The market is just against me. That is our second try for RRE, and we've closed in a loss. Not good at all.
You the one to hold me down when the block's hot. So sell my life on that paper. Cause I promise when we step out, you'll be famous. Modern day, but ain't they vibe what they name does. Cause when we pull up, all angry. Looking at the truth, the money never lie. I'm the one. early morning in the dawn. Know you wanna ride now. This one, yeah. Real one intimidate ya. See you watching, don't run out of time now. I'm the one, yeah. I'm the one,
Oh dear. So sorry about that, Godwin. Hi, Rufus. What's up? What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. Booty on that Gucci belt.
We don't got no label. She say she want bottles. She ain't got no table. She don't got no bedroom. She don't got no table. We just watching Netflix. She ain't got no cable. Okay, no. Look, I'm the drug for her. She want a nigga that pull her hair and want the door for her. Again at the chicken money. That's the one, yeah. You see the ones trying to imitate us. Don't let the only real one intimidate ya. See you watching, go right out of time now. I'm the one, yeah. I'm the one, yeah.
Let's get into our second attempt.
I'm the only one. Looking for the one, what bitch you looking at the one? I'm the best yet, and yet my best is yet to come. I've been looking for somebody, not just any fucking
Beautiful, beautiful.
body, that's for any and everybody.
Oh my God.
She hit me up all day, get no response. Bitch, you blow my mind, that's why I turn and golden bronze, roll my eyes. And when she is zombie, she think we caught him buying, but it's more like when he popping, God forgive me. Don't you ever listen, I'm a legend. Straight up out the custom, fly your bait on for the essence. For the record, like no Colin when that ball was spinning record. No like they ain't winning record. I'm just flexing on my essence. Yeah, I ain't at the chicken money. I'm the one, yeah. I'm the one. Early morning, yeah. You see the bubbles try to imitate us. Don't let the only real one intimidate ya. See you watching, go right out of time now. I'm the one, yeah. I'm the one, yeah. I'm the only one. I'm the one, yeah. I'm the only one.
Don't you know that? Don't you know? Beautiful, beautiful. That is our last attempt for Netzaris. Congratulations. Don't you know, girl?
I am the one. Don't you know, girl? Don't you know, girl? I am the one for you. I'm the one.
That is Sapran. What's up? What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you.
Girl, wind up on my body, girl, why like it's a carnival? Girl, me love the way you wine for me. Girl, it is so emotional, so wind up on my body, girl. Me while you come wine your waistline for me. Baby, you're bubbling, you're bubbling, you're bubbling, baby. Girl, you a party animal. Girl, you active, no, you no lazy. Girl, you a party animal. To go your wine, you drive me crazy. Girl, you a party animal. You wine so good, you just so good. Girl, me love how you party. One shot, two shot, three shot, four. After that,
1003 items. That is for Brian.
then she approached me just like a cure. Me know that she like me tonight, me a swore. She sexy, she beautiful, and she pure. Tell her you me a do so.
Party, girl.
Wine us like a carnival. Tell me love the way you wine for me. Tell her wine is so emotional. So wine up on my body, girl. Me while you go wine your waistline for me. Baby, you're bubbling, you're bubbling, you're bubbling, baby. Girl, you a party animal. To own your wine, you drive me crazy.
Okay, we proceed to our second attempt. Okay, we take it for a continuation. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. Not good at all. Not good. I've been coughed out. Okay, that marine. Let's see how our list for the remaining three for today's donations. We have three more to go, three more participants to go. So let's see how we close it off.
Greetings, world. This is yours. Talking to you from Jamaica, land we love, just the way we are. And this is the video. No MSG, no preservative, no additive, no nothing.
No,
Just the way we are.
nothing.
Check it out. Oh gosh.
Terrence Riley, just the way you are.
I love you, woman, I love you. Have your own style. I got to love you. You know I love you. Hey. She wants to be like the people on TV. She wants to look like them girls in the magazine. She got big dreams. See herself on the big screen. She asks, do you love me? I say you're just right.
Absolutely, I love you just the way you are, girl.
You don't have to change, you don't have to do a thing, no, just the way you are, girl. If you put on a powder, if you take off a own,
Just the way you are, girl.
wake up with no makeup in a break.
Okay, let us keep it going. We are looking at 1,500 as our take profit. She give me love like tea.
Yeah, she authentic. This are the real thing, this are the plastic. See, I got big things. I used to be my wife and now your husband. She said, what is it you like about me? Mr. Woman, you're not fit, change nothing. I love you
Just the way you are, girl.
You don't have to change, you don't have to do a thing. No, just the way you are, girl. If you put on a powder, if you take off a pound, hey, just the way you are, girl. Wake up with no makeup, with no breakup, just the way you are.
Okay.
And in my eyes,
Look at that.
yeah.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
Yeah. Star girl.
So with that, let's see.
I'm blessed to have you, my baby. I love you just the way you are, girl. You don't have to change, you don't have to do a thing, just the way you are, girl. If you put on a
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so for that marine, we have closing a plus.
This is my star girl, first lady, top actress, made for me, star girl, boy.
Okay, odd facts. Hi, what's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. I'm doing amazing. How about you? How are you doing? How are you doing? Okay, let's go for duck. 3 items, risking $350. Okay, we've started off. Get out to be your friend, not your lover. Now I'm asking, okay, beautiful. Two more to go. We go for our last item. Hi Caesar, what's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. Getting ready for our last items over here. Okay.
I'm Mr. Keep it on the 100. Girl, I'm ready if you're ready. Love, get it, Yankee for this pandemic. Girl, I get it all on me. I wanna spend it.
That is for duck.
You know I got it, take the car keys. For the Maserati, you get nuts. For the Lamborghini, you want it. For the Bentley, you go bend it. Oh, baby, choose what you wanna cruise it. I buy you shoes, but give me shoes. And I like the way I get it out. So if you are from my
Okay, so we go in for our last participant. That is Mateo. $800, 2 items. Somebody needs somebody. Somebody, somebody needs somebody. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. One more to go. Ada, hey my darling, how are you doing? How are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. How is your weekend? How is your weekend? We are closing it. Okay, so today is a Sunday. We are diving into a new week. I'm all right. I'm all right. Doing amazing. Doing amazing. How about you and your beautiful family over there? I know, I know, I know. You know, at times we get caught up. We get caught up. It's understandable. But actually, today we've really shared a lot. We've shared a lot. Maybe after the session, you could rewatch the video, and you never know. Maybe you could get a thing or two from it. All right. Then tomorrow we continue. Smile. Okay, thank you. Good to have you, good to have you. Time, everybody look to the left, everybody look to the right. It's all about money, money, money. More than it's forget about the price tag. Cha-ching, clean up on up. Forget about the price tag. Really? On Telegram? I'll check through. I'll check through. Beautiful. Congratulations to Mateo. Congratulations. I love it so much when I end my donations with pluses. Okay. You know, I did not know whether I responded. At times you find that the messages are quite so many, but I always make it a point to see that everyone who takes their time to chat with me, I respond to them. So I'm quite not sure, but let me hope at least we had a conversation. If not yet, then I'm definitely going to attend to it. That's lovely, you know, having a certain family, a certain loving family somewhere, chatting with you, communicating with you. I love you guys. I love you guys. Thank you for coming through. I really, really do appreciate you. Guys, definitely thank you for today. So that is the close. of our donations for today. Thank you, my darling. Thank you. Thank you. Be blessed, and definitely I pray that you learn binary options as fast as possible or as soon as possible, such that you are able to make some profits for yourself. Let me tell you, being able to do something for yourself on a daily basis or whenever you feel like doing it, it's so amazing, it's so beautiful. So I also want you to have that. Okay, on my end, it's lovely. It took me some time, but okay, learning trading in general, it took me some time, but once I settled in, trust me, trust me. Trust me, trust me, trust me. I definitely feel at peace. I feel at peace. Lennon, you freaking me out. You put me on now. Okay, so guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much for today. It has been a very amazing session. A very amazing session. Definitely, we have closed our Sunday beautifully, I should say. All right. So, thank you so much. I hope to start with you this amazing new week, and we start in high spirits and in high vibes. So, guys, allow me say bye bye, and I will catch you tomorrow. Just make sure that you are in on time, 3 p.m. Canadian time. Let us clock in, and we definitely get what we are here for. All right. Thank you, Sanjay. Thank you. Bye bye. Sometimes all I think about you. You make me freaking me out. Happier now.